TRX Face Pull strengthen your upper back, rear deltoids, rhomboids, and rotator cuff muscles, helping improve posture and shoulder stability. How to do it step by step. 1. Adjust the TRX straps to mid-length. Face the anchor point and hold the handles with an overhand grip, palms facing down. Walk your feet forward so your body leans back at an angle. The more horizontal you are, the harder the exercise. 2. Starting position. Extend your arms straight in front of you, keeping tension on the straps. Body stays straight, core tight, shoulders down away from ears. 3. Pull movement. Drive your elbows out and back, not tucked in, pulling the handles toward your face. Hands should end up just outside your ears, elbows bent about 90 degrees. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement. 4. Return. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position under control. Make 10 reps, 3 sets. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.